CB Passive Income Review. Now, does it sometimes seem that you are the only person not making a secondary income online? Well, the quickest way to change that is to sell other people's products and receive commissions, and the internet and the advent of digital media that people will pay for has made that super simple when you know how. But you need a plan. CB Passive Income is an internet marketing system designed and created by Patrick Chan for internet marketing beginners, and it shows you a method to make a serious passive online income, a step-by-step plan to increase the likelihood of online success. Essentially, it's a crash course in digital marketing, and you also receive a product to promote, a squeeze page to collect leads, and a sales funnel all done for you to get you started fast. This is one of those programs which really doesn't require that you do much other than send traffic to your offer. Now, Chan understands that the majority of beginners online get overloaded with too much information. That's why he decided to do the majority of the work for you. All you need to do is send potential buyers to his squeeze page and then collect the resulting commissions, and commissions average 50% in the digital marketplace, sometimes more. That's pretty much the only thing you would have to focus your time and attention on, getting those eyeballs on the offer. The CB passive income model is a more effective way than many of the other strategies and guides out there right now, which attempt to teach you 1,000 different things. And that's seriously information overload. But this system is easy to follow, and it delivers when you take action. Click the link below for success stories from people using CB Passive Income. Patrick is a great teacher, and the steps you need to take are easy to follow. Most of the work has already been done for you, so your sales funnel will be set up quickly. The program also covers a variety of different ways to drive traffic to your new squeeze pages. You can actually pick the traffic method you decide to use. That could be Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, whatever you are comfortable with, but it's best to focus on just one. This product is one of the top sellers on ClickBank, the online platform for digital products. And maybe that's the social proof that you've been looking for. Click the link beneath this video for more details. You don't need to pay for hosting or write sales copy or create your own content. The system takes care of everything. All you need to do is focus on traffic. And like all products on ClickBank, it has a 60-day, no questions asked refund policy. So what are the cons? Well, the product truly is an online bestseller. However, it does, like many money-related courses, come across as a bit hypey. And as with the majority of online products about making money, you too will be taken through a sales funnel with optional downsells and upsells, much the same as your purchasers will. But it's kind of good to see what your traffic will see themselves as they go through the funnel. Just remember, for them and for you, everything is optional. Now, many beginners in online marketing fail simply by not following through, and they just don't take action. There is no such thing as a push button make money online system. You have to put in the work. So this is something that you need to consider. Are you ready to put in the effort and not give up? You shouldn't expect to become an overnight millionaire. There is work to be done. So should you get it? Well, if you are trying to get some cash flowing in a passive manner from the internet, this is a really good starting point, as the system is very simple to follow and Once you achieve some success, you can move on to more advanced tactics. If you want to start making money from the internet simply to pay a few bills, or even to potentially quit your job, this is something that you should look into. That's it. Thanks for watching. Now, click that link below for more information on how to take that first step.